Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to screen record on Samsung. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first guys, we need to install application that will help us to screen record. So go to Play Store and then tap search, and in the search bar search for screen recorder. Then tap screen record or X recorder, then tap install. Now wait a moment until finished installing screen recorder. After installing screen recorder, tap open, then close this window and tap enable floating icon. Then go down and tap here to enable X recorder. Perfect. Then come back. Then tap allow all. Then allow. Perfect. Now if we need to screen record, tap record like this and tap only this time. Then tap start now, and the screen record will start after 3 seconds. So this is, you can now move your screen or do something or record the game. Now after finish screen record, tap this icon, and if you want to pause it, just tap here and tap here. And if you want to resume it, just tap this icon. But if you want to stop record, tap this icon and tap this icon. Yeah, so that's it. Now as you can see, this is the video that we recorded. Yeah, thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and see you to the next video.